Nĩwe curo tigire ikaria thika na kimako kinene thutha wa ekina yare matari marakurikana kuhithukira na kuiya muigana wa shiringi milioni 50 bengi-inĩ ya KCB ruhonge rwa Thika. Kuringana na Samuel Ng'ang'a, mikoro erejete mungu munene uria mahuthirire gutabania wicucu wa milioni 50. Oho Ng'ang'a neugite ici acio marafujire thefo igiri kuria maracithegethire na mwaki niguo mahote kuruta kimanjika kiu kia mbeca.
The tunnel was dug from Friendly Exhibition Shop to the Strong Loom. Investigations will reveal whether some members or staff of the bank are involved.
Tugikinya mathaa ma kumemerekia riboti ino, borithi no meguthiaga na mbere na uthuthuria uyu makiuga mihango ya gwethana na ekina ya ni ambiriirie.
Few people have been arrested, to be specific 3, the agent, another lady, and another gentleman who actually are custodians of the door to the exhibition where that hole was dug from.
Girifotera Shesheni ya Kameme TV, niye Geto Wanjiru wa Njuguna.